In this video, we're going to look at how to insert a video into Google Slides from YouTube and then only watch a portion of that video. So first, you're going to grab the link, copy it. I did a Control-C, go to Insert Video, and then I do Control-V to paste, and then search for my video. We'll select the video and then click the Select button. It will insert it for you, and you can see now that the video is selected because it's got the blue handles on the side, and you can resize it. Remember to always resize from the corners and not the side because it distorts the image. Okay. So if you happen to click off of it, just know you can come back and select it till you get the handles, and that brings up this format options on the side. If the video playback is closed, just make sure you open it. Some options you have here is you can have it play on click. So in presentation mode, you would click it to hit play, or you can have it play automatically. Down here is where you can tell it where to start the video playing. So I'm going to just say, I'm going to start mine at the 10-minute mark. So I've already reviewed it, and that's where I want to capture. And just for this instance, you can see it's a 47-minute video, but we're just going to do a real short one. So we'll do about 30 seconds worth, just so I can show you the example, how it will stop. Let's move that down to like 10 seconds. Okay. So now that we have it, we can close out our format options, and we can come to our presentation mode. And once we click on it, it will start playing, and you can see it started at the 10-minute mark, and it should stop at our 10 minutes, 10 seconds. And then it stops. So that's how you can just show a portion of a video for students. And remember, you have that option to automatically play it as well. Remember, select the video and go to Format Options, and you can have it play automatically. If it's set to play automatically, whenever I go to presentation mode, I don't have to click, it just starts playing. Okay? So let me know if you have any questions.